Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this question, we're asked to find the probability that the amount of calories in a randomly selected chocolate bar will be between 200 and 220. So the way we're going to solve this problem is by finding two separate z-squared values for 200 and 220 respectively, and then use those to calculate the overall probability. So keep in mind, so remember that z-score is equal to x minus mu, which is the average, over sigma, which is the standard deviation. And we know that mu is equal to 225, and that sigma is equal to 10. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and calculate z1, which is equal to 200 minus 225 over 10, which equals to negative 2.5. Now we can do the same thing for z2, which is equal to 220 minus 225 over 10, which is equal to negative 0.5. So now we're going to use our table to find the corresponding probabilities of these z values. So we're going to get 0.3085, and 0.0062. Now what we're going to do is rewrite this general equation as in terms of the z values. So you can get p at 200, we got negative 2.5, so negative 2.5 is less than z, which is less than z for this one, which is negative 0.5. And that is equal to saying pre z is less than negative 0.5 minus p z less than negative 2.5. Excuse me. Now we're just going to plug in the probabilities we found, which are corresponding to these z values. So we're going to get 0.3085 minus 0.0062, which gives us a final answer of 3023. Now, part B of this problem is asking us to find the probability that a randomly selected chocolate bar will have less than 200 calories. 200 calories. So here we're just going to find the z value, and since it's already less than, that means that we don't have to rearrange anything. We can just directly use the z value to find the corresponding probability. So let's go ahead and do that. 200 minus 225 over 10, which is equal to negative 2.5. And that'll give us the corresponding value of 0.0062, which we already found in part A, and that will be our final answer.